But did you know that alcohol can reduce the effect of dental anesthesia? Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vaibhav Rai from KV Dental Excellence Clinic, Bhojapur. Yes, in some cases, alcohol can make the local anesthesia less effective. Patients who consume the alcohol regularly may develop the drug tolerance. Alcohol can alter nerve response and also affect the liver metabolism. Because of this, the anesthesia injections may act slowly or may not provide the complete numbness. That's why it's very important to inform your dentist about your alcohol history before any dental procedure. For the best results, avoid the alcohol at least 24 hours before your procedure, and the proper preparations ensure the better anesthesia and comfortable dental experience. Thank you. Your smile is our responsibility.